Good morning, students. Today I am telling you the three conditions of the nature of the graph. Chapter 3rd. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Until now you have learned that when you plot the graph of pair of linear equation in two variables, then the graph comes out to be three types: either intersecting like this, either coincident, two lines are coincident means overlapping lines, and two lines are parallel. Intersecting lines, coincident line, and parallel lines. Now the question arises, why the graph comes out to be three types? For this, you will see that the coefficient in the equation plays very important role. Now if I will take the two equation in general form of two equation of two variable linear equation are like this: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Here a1 a2, b1 b2, c1 c2 are known as the coefficient of these equations. These are known as the coefficient of these two equations. And these are purely real number. a1 number attached with x in first equation, a2 number attached with x in second equation, b1 number attached with y in first equation, b2 number attached with y in second equation, c1 c2 are constant. अब ये a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 इन्हीं के वजह से ये आपके तीन ग्राफ आते हैं. Now what are these three conditions? Now if the ratio of a1 upon a2, this is known as the ratio method. Now if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, then the graphs come out to be intersecting lines. ग्राफ हमेशा इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस आएगा. दैट मीन्स आपका यूनिक सॉल्यूशन या वन सॉल्यूशन ही आएगा. सेकेंड कंडीशन, व्हेन ऑल द थ्री रेशियो आर इक्वल, दैट मीन्स रेशियो ऑफ a1 upon a2 equals to ratio of b1 and b2 equals to the ratio of c1 and c2, then the graphs comes out to be coincident line. That means infinite solution. you will find the infinite solution. Now if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2, that means first two ratio are equal, but this is not equals to the third ratio C1 upon C2, then the graphs comes out to be parallel lines. This is the case of no solution. तो ये कोफिशिएंट की रेशो की वजह से ही तीन टाइप का आपका ग्राफ आता है. तो द कोफिशिएंट प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल फॉर द नेचर ऑफ द ग्राफ. If first two ratio are not equal, then the graphs comes out to be intersecting lines. That means you will find the unique solution. Now, if the ratio of A1 and A2 equals to B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2, then the graphs comes out to be coincidence line or overlapping line. In that case, you will find the infinite solution. And if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2, then the graphs comes out to be parallel line. In this case, you will find no solution. So these are very important three conditions and you have to remember this. So that's all for today. Thank you.